कल मुझसे इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया, लेट्स सपोज these are the name given and these are the type and these are the speed limits, so you should have to categorize with respect to speeds. So let's suppose for that I use if condition. तो फर्स्ट कंडीशन हमारे पास थी, अगर स्पीड लिमिट हमारे पास लेट्स सपोज 90 से अबव हो तो हमने दे देना है फास्ट. तो इट्स मीन वी हैव टू give them a value. If the speed limit is greater than 90, then it will, this speed limit is very fast. And then again I press this cell, and if the speed limit is greater than 50, then we can say this is the normal speed. So this is my second condition. So and then again I press this cell, and if the speed limit is less than equal to 50, then we can say this is slow speed. So I categorize the speed category like this. And now again, if the speed limit is less than 40, then we can say this is very slow speed, mean too slow. So these are the category that I have done this during interview, and then click enter. Now you can see, so the speed of Harry is 45, which is lie in the condition of C2 is less than is equal to 50, which is slow. For finding all the speed, I drag this. Now you can see speed of every person has been calculated. So in this way I give my answer. Now you can see this is 60, so 60 lie here, so that's why it's normal. Now 100 is greater than 90, that's why fast. Now slow, it lie here, this last condition. So guys, if you like my video, then never forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.